celebrate Road Safety Month for this year in our country, may we carry forward not just plans and programs, but love, and that love for life, for community, and for one another.
Let us use this month and the days to follow to be more mindful, more responsible, more vigilant, and every time we use the roads. Amen.
Kasama po ang UNICEF sa pag-advokasya para sa kapakanan ng ating mga bata, sa kapakanan ng ating mga estudyante, para maging sure na safe ang kanilang paglalakbay simula sa bahay papunta sa kanilang mga eskwelahan.
Let us continue to work together to ensure that every journey ends safely and every family remains whole, and to be reminded that if you think you are right, you insist on it. But if that right may cause a loss of life, you may waive the right.
Hit and run. Tinamaan ka, tapos iiwan ka din naman. Ito last na. Keep distance. Kailangan talaga ng space para maka-move on ng maayos. Ganon.
Tuwang-tuwa po kami na nandito ang mga iba't ibang department ng government natin upang ganapin itong road safety.
Nakakatulong ito sa mga estudyante, hindi lang sa mga estudyante, pati kaming mga guro dito. Kasi alam namin na ang buhay ay mahalaga.
So we highly enjoyed everybody to be more aware, to be able to be the agent of change for better safety behavior in ourselves, in our families, and in our communities.
This month reminds us that road safety is not merely the responsibility of law enforcers, but a shared duty that involves every motorist, pedestrians, and citizens.
Let us use this month as an opportunity to renew our commitment to road safety and to implement meaningful changes, whether in policy, practice, or personal behavior that will make our roads safer for all.